Infertility is yet the same topic we handled before, but due to very, very popular demand based on our viewers and as a request from our viewers, I have to redefine the concept of infertility. And as I earlier said on this program, this is a major issues all over the world. And as a result of that, it does not really matter how many times we take this topic, because it's really a very, very crucial topic all over the world, because the sufferers are going through a hell of issues with family members, with relations, with friends, and so on. So we need to handle it any number of times that we'll be able to convince and we'll be able to educate more our followers. Infertility is as a result of so many factors, and it does not really matter the number of times we will treat it on this program. This is because the causative agents of infertility, both in men and women, have been devastating the entire world, and the entire world finds it difficult to handle it. And the way we handle it in Nigeria here, it looks we are like ahead of the world. We can take care of it in a better and faster way than the world, without incurring a lot of issues with respect to the risk of treating it. The mass of fruits, the mass of cruciferous plants that we have, and the mass of many more food materials that we have phytochemicals in them that have far-reaching biological, chemical effects on various disease situations. So that by the time we combine our phytomedicine with the synthetic medicines, sky will be the limit in practicing medicine. So I'm of the opinion that all the facets of medicines should come together, as is done in other places, so that we take medical treatment to a greater height, especially some very difficult areas that things cannot be easily resolved, so that we can undercut some of the very serious side effects when it comes to the excessive use of chemotherapy and other forms of medical treatment. To date, there's a lady who has very serious cancer. She has undergone chemotherapy, and the entire hair got removed, and even the look of the skin and every other thing had problem. But to the glory of God, when she was dispensed with phytomedicine, she wrote to say that all the noticed side effects of the chemotherapy were resolved, and she had her hair fully recovered in 30 days, with the hair growing up to her waistline. This is incredible. So the mass of phytomedicine we can get from the mass of food items of various natures that we have in the country should not be ignored. It should be exploited, more so that America has projected a $5 trillion business for phytomedicine by the year 2025. Nigeria is yet to tap anything from this area. So with the research work we are doing and with what my other colleagues are doing, this will go a long way to help us boost our GDP and diversify our economy. So I'm calling on governments for us to partner in this area so that we can both lift and diversify our economy.